Assessing, monitoring, and maintaining properties enrolled in federally regulated wetland mitigation banking is essential to achieve compliance with federal regulations. It helps keep these valuable resources at their fullest potential and enables future project development. Wetland mitigation banks are key to maintaining the federal regulatory requirement of no net loss of wetlands. For every acre of wetland impacted by development, project owners offset those impacts by purchasing wetland mitigation bank credits.
This 1,300-acre site in southern Georgia is a great example of a thriving mitigation bank with restored wetlands and streams. It's valuable to the local ecosystem, providing benefits like habitat, flood control, improved water quality, and carbon sequestration. With Terracon, you'll have a partner to lead you through every phase of the journey. The first step is to find out if the site is the right fit. Our professionals bring experience to the table, having performed more than 500 initial mitigation bank feasibility assessments across a variety of wetland types and geographic areas over the past 20 years. We could advise you on the potential ecological viability of a site and determine if it might be a good fit for the mitigation banking program.
When a site is suitable, we can help work through the design, permitting, and construction of the Wetlands Mitigation Bank site. Once construction is complete and the aquatic ecosystem has been restored, we partner with you for the duration of the monitoring requirements, measuring its success for 7 to 10 years, depending on state requirements. Terracon's environmental scientists perform a suite of necessary wetland site monitoring services over that time frame.
We could help set up site monitoring metrics and submit the required reports to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers in a timely manner.
Mitigation banks are long-term projects, and we can be your long-term partner. It's just one of the many ways we help our clients sustainably achieve their financial goals.
Do you think your site is a good fit? Well, let's get started. Visit Terracon.com to learn more.